Let us see few questions on server and client application development. The first is the term ACID refers to. Can you answer which one of this? Atomicity is good. Consistency also is good. So we find that this is not working, this is not working, this is not working. Atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. These are the ACID properties, and these are somewhat related to your database system. This ACID property, that a database need to be atomic, consistent, isolated, and durable. What is XATMI? What is this XATMI? Can you answer this? The answer is C. XATMI is message oriented interface. Next one, the universal time to which all machine must be synchronized is. What is the universal time? And you may be asked that for all machine, which time is used to synchronize them? 23rd. The answer is UTC, Universal Coordinate Time. 24th. Next one, the technology for multimedia document management comes from. The technology for multimedia document management comes from electronic document imaging system, office automation, scheduling management, application management, or program management. Which is the answer? The answer is A. The technology for multimedia document management, it comes from electronic document imaging system. Next, the Java Beans event model is known as Java Beans event model. Can you find the answer? Which one of this? 25th. The answer is that is C. Java Beans event model is also known as the event delegation model. Next one. The server data held on the client is called. Tell me. Server data on the client, what it is called? 26. And these are nothing but the cookies. The server data held on the client is called as cookie. Next one is, which of the following is a plain ASCII text file with embedded HTML command? Now ASCII, you know this is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII text file and embedded hypertext markup language command. Which of the following is a plain ASCII text file? Tell me which one of this? 27. The answer is B. When you have HTML document, it is a web document. Okay, this is a plain ASCII text file. You can just write it on a notepad, and you can have an HTML command. You can run it in the browser. Next one, which of the following manages electronic renditions of file cabinets? Electronic renditions. 28. The answer is servers, of course. The server, they manage electronic renditions of the file cabinets. Next one. If some unusual event occurs from a managed system to a managing station, which among the following notification is used? So you have to answer about the notification here. The answer is put. Put. Okay. This is put. Why? Because actually the answer is which unusual. The answer is trap, not put. Because the trap notification is used if some unusual event occurs for a managed system to the managing system. The answer is trap. This is D. D, managed. 29. Next one. An example of TP, transaction processing heavy client server product is. Which one of this is TP, heavy client server product? 30. Answer is E. Encina. Encina is an example of TP, heavy client server product. Next one. In the client server architecture, the component that processes the request and sends the response. Which is this? Now, who is responsible? Which of the component is processing the request and sending the response? Now, this is quite clear actually. And this is network only. In CS architecture, the component again that processes the request. No, this is not network. This is server. Yes, server is the correct answer. Why? Because in a CS architecture, the component that processes the request and sends the response is the server, because the server is the processing. Why server is there? It is processing the request from the client. Client server architecture. Okay. 32. In a three-tier client server applications, the business logic lies at. In three server client server application, the business logic lies at where? This is a very important question. The answer is middle tier. In CS applications, the business logic lies at the middle tier. Next one. Which among the following are used to create very concurrent event-driven server programs? See, concurrency and event-driven server programs. What are you going to answer? The answer is A. Threads. Threads are used or employed for concurrent and event-driven server programs. Threads. Next one. Dash is a non-GUI client. Non-GUI is graphical user interface. Which one is the non-GUI client? The answer is ATM, automatic teller machine. Others all are GUI client. 35. In a three-tier computing, the request response protocol between the client and web server is. Now we are talking about three-tier computing. Understand? The client and web server, the request and response protocol would be what? Can you answer this? Of course, the HTTP. HTTP is the request response protocol between the client and web server. Next one. IPX network number is dash bits long. What is IPX internet protocol network number is? How many bits long? This is 32-bit long. 32-bit long. Okay. Next. NetBEUI is an enhanced version of which protocol? NetBEUI. And this is C. NetBEUI is an enhanced version of NetBIOS protocol. Next one. Which of the following does not refer to middleware? Which is not the middleware. Which does not refer to middleware. Okay. Can you answer this? The answer is Java. Java does not refer to middleware. Actually is a programming aspect which says that. Next one. Which of the following do not allow multiple applications to participate in a transaction? Do not. You have to answer about the do not. First you have to find which of the following allow multiple applications to participate in a transaction. Then which do not. And you will easily find the answer. The answer is gateways. Gateways do not allow multiple applications to participate in a transaction. Next. Fat server is a server which is connected to number of clients, has file allocation table, places more functions on the server, has high processing power, has low processing power. Fat server is a server. What will be the answer? Fat server places more functions on the server. So answer would be C here. Next. Which is the type of client that provides folders, work areas, shadows, and that allows association users to personalize their desktops? Which is that type of client? Now this is very obvious, you can answer this very clearly. The answer is OOUI. OOUI, it provides folders, work area, shadows, and association that allow users to personalize their object-oriented user interface. 42. Images, videos, graphics, database snapshots are affectionately called. All these by affection, in general terms, what you can call them? The answers are blobs. Blobs, binary, large objects. Images, video, graphics, database. The next one is network yellow pages are used for. Network yellow pages, transferring graphics in network, ubiquitous communication, maintaining network time, maintaining system time, helping to locate server and their services. So network yellow pages, they are used for helping. This is the answer is E, last one, helping to locate server and their services. Next one. The style of messaging remote procedure call is RPC. What is this called? The style of messaging remote procedure call is C, call return. Call return. Next, which of the following defines the system level object frameworks in object management architecture? Which of the following defines the system level object frameworks? 45th. And the answer is quite easy here. This is CORBA services. This is made for this only. Common object request broker architecture services. So this CORBA services, it defines the system level object frameworks in object management architecture. Next, which is the protocol that provides a consistent naming scheme to identify all web services? Now this is very common question and straight away intuitive answer. The answer is URL, Unified Resource Locator. This provides a consistent naming scheme to identify all web resources. Okay, so this is unified. The answer will be our C. Email is a fundamental component of, say, email is a fundamental component of, which is the answer? It is a fundamental component of groupware. You cannot include that in software, hardware, or middleware. This is the groupware. Next one. The Internet Standard Protocol for email retrieval is email retrieval. Email is type of messages only which is passing. So it is nothing but IMAP. IMAP is the Internet Standard Protocol for email retrieval. So you will be tempted to answer this also. This because this is simple mail transfer protocol, but it is not. And this is not for. This is just a transmission control protocol or internet protocol where the message passing is taking place. But IMAP is for email retrieval. Next, the server data held on the client is called as. Now we have answered already. This is cookie. So this is important. That is the repetition is there. What are the smart pieces of software that can play in different networks, operating systems, and tool palettes? What are the smart pieces of software? Tell me the answer. 50. The answers are components. These are smart. You can answer processor, procedure, interface, methods, also tools also. But we are talking about smart pieces of software. Code usability. You can easily and directly use these components. 51. Which of the following allows multiple request response interaction to take place before the connection is closed? Okay, which of the following allows multiple request response interaction to take place before the connection is actually closed? The answer is persistent connections. Persistent connections allow multiple request response interaction to take place before the connection is closed. Next one. Which of the following is needed for sending asynchronous alerts and notification to operators? Now we are talking about asynchronous alerts to the operators. 52. Answer is B. Email and MOM services. They are needed to sending asynchronous alerts and notification to operators. Which among the following contains real-time information describing the function provided by a server and their parameters? Real-time information by server and their parameters. 53. The answer is interface repository. The interface repository contains real-time information describing the function provided by the server and their parameters. Next is, which of the following supports the capability of returning pointers to other interfaces through COM, component object model object, COM object, which of the following supports the capability of returning pointers to other interfaces? The answer is the E. Query interface. Query interface supports the capability of returning pointers to other interface through the COM object. Next is Java Beans event model is also known as, we have already seen this, we are repeating this. The answer is the event delegation model. The event delegation model. Next, families of software ICs that play together are called, which are the ICs, integrated components, families of software? The answer is suites. We call them suites. B. Next one. Which among the following tools can set software parameters and fine-tune complex systems such as relational database or operating systems? Fine-tuning of RDBMS and operating system. What are these called? The answer would be, these are configuration management tools. The answer is E. These tools can set software parameters to fine-tune complex systems and such as this RDBMS and OS. Next. What request is issued by managing station to read the value of managed object? And we have already seen this. The answer is the trap. the default port address of HTTP. And you might have seen that when you are calling yourself, you use what? You use what? In this, use 8080. So the default port is 80. Next one, which of the following are variables that represent the data elements in a managed object? And the answer is B. Attributes are variables that represent the data elements in a managed objects. So these were a few questions on server client application development. Thank you so much. Take care.